Alright guys, so today we was going out with some friends, do some fun driving around. But the weather got a little crazy, so we had to make some change of plans. So I'm gonna show you now how I set up the car for audio. So when I do the POVs. So this car is pretty loud, especially the engine. The engine doesn't make a whole lot of noise, boost wise on low RPM. So this engine, obviously, it's already a V8, so it's already torquey on the low end just by being a V8. So you're not on boost at all time. So you get a lot of shatter of the engine. So when I do the POV, I mainly want to capture just turbo noise. That's what make it better. So for that, I get the microphones and I put it down here. So I got that heat shield right there. Put the microphone in here. This way, you get shove it, get pushed in there with the microphone portion underneath there. So it captures less of the engine shattering around because these engines are pretty loud idle. But then when the turbo come in, the boost come in, the sound is like, is right on it. But then it's far enough from the edge of the hood because I used to put it in this area around here, but then I used to capture a whole lot of noise. All the air going through this when the hood is down. Well, now, by putting it up here, I get better sound. And just for limit extra unwanted sound, what I like to do, I just put this rag down here and it cover up the microphone for any extra unwanted sound, low noises, and all you get is just pure turbo sound. So whenever we're cruising, you hear more exhaust than turbo. Like I told you, that this car is rarely on boost to get it moving, driving around. If you're normally driving it every day, if you're not pushing it, you're not making turbo noises. It's pretty loud when you get there. For the exhaust, I got something different for the exhaust. So since it's pretty low to the ground back there, what I did was I modified one of these little sponges that I use to put the tire shine on the wheels. So I cut it off. I got this whole piece in here, and then I just shove the microphone in this, using these two zip ties to keep it in place. Take this back plate off. This little magnet microphone really are handy for this. So if you have this car, this is how I do it. So I put that in there. There's this little extra piece right here of a sponge. Cover the microphone as much as I can. I'm trying to limit the road noises. And the magnet is already on the back of the car. So I can show you right here. Oh, yeah. Let me see. Let me grab my phone. I cannot see with this camera, so make sure I show you. All right, I can see now, so make sure I'm showing you. You know what? This is too big. I cannot do the phone and that at the same time. Okay, all right, too bad. So I can show you. Oh. I'll get down here. All right, let me see if you can see. Probably not. So behind this diffuser here, I got the wall. Behind this diffuser, you got a straight metal wall. I already got the magnet up there. The microphone side. So on this vehicle, that exhaust on that side is very restricted. It's what makes this car quiet. So whenever you're not on power, this exhaust on this side is close. So all the noise come on that side. That side got a lot of sound deadening. But whenever you put the car in sport mode, this side is open up. And then that's when you hear all that rumble. So I put the microphone close to this side, which is louder than that one. So let me put the mic up there. Boom. It's already stuck to the magnet. All right, let me put the camera in there. Hopefully you can see. All right, there it is. And it just stays in there. Let me see. Can you see that? Let me see.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There you go. Right. Is that it? Nope. Right here.
I'm gonna have to flash some light.
There we go. Boom, 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 boom. No light, no light, no light. There it is. All right, so it stays right there. There's no risk of like the wind pushing it or moving it off the car. It's pretty strong down there where it's at. But it limits the roar noises due to this plastic down here, this diffuser. And that's how I'm able to get the exhaust. Obviously in post, I have to do some, during post, I have to do some editing to make sure the sound come out correctly. So let me show you. So let me get the mics in, let me do a cold start, and then we go from there. And this is how I capture the audio for the POV. So this is it. If you want to do this for your car, the microphone that I'm using is a DJI Mic 3 wireless mic. They record in 32-bit flow, so you're not going to peak or distort your audio. You can always bring the volume down, but you're peaking a lot of noise. Now, the next thing I got to do is a few days ago, I scratched one of my wheels, avoiding hitting a cat. It was free spot, so I happened to buy this paint. See if I can get it to match. Hopefully, it works out very well.